Hey, we're at the California League of Food Processors show, and we're here with John Saris from Urschel Laboratories. He's got a new machine they're going to talk to us and show us a little bit about.
Okay, this is the model Diversicut Sprint. It's one of our newer machines. It's a three-dimensional dicer, and it's capable of making 1/8-inch cubes up to 1-inch cubes. It has very few adjustments, if any. So the maintenance on this machine has been greatly reduced. The sanitation on it has also been reduced, has been increased, I should say, because the cutting part, the drive parts, are totally separate from the cutting parts, and a totally different compartment. So there's no grease entering the food zone.
Okay.
And I'll show you the dicing section. So we got this big wall here separating the drive from the cutting zone. So all the cutting is done here. The product comes in through the hopper, spins inside the slice case, gets sliced by this slicing knife, goes through these circular knives, and then through the crosscut and straight down.
Okay. Well, so certainly the key is if my food's not running across the drive, I'm not running into pieces of carrot, other pieces of food, maybe locking things up.
Right.
You had mentioned earlier that the lowered maintenance. Why is that an issue now?
Well, everybody likes to cut down maintenance time, changeover time, so we've incorporated a cantilever design, not only to cut down space, but to keep all our drive on one side and eliminate a lot of alignment adjustments or just less parts to have to change or wear out. So there's very few wear items in this machine other than the knives themselves. And taking off the spindles doesn't involve removing a shaft to pull the spindle out. You just loosen some bolts and this pulls right off. And the crosscut just comes off from this side without having to remove any shafts.
You'd mentioned that Urschel builds much of its own machinery?
Right. All of our machines built in-house.
Now, are there certain commodity markets that you guys tend to focus on, or do these cut across?
90% is vegetables processing. Do a little about 5% in meat, maybe 2% pharmaceutical with our milling machines, control processors.
Now, the heavy use with the vegetables, is that by design, or is that just because there's so much processing out in California focused on vegetables?
It's just that the industry that we have served since our founding in 1910.
Okay. Hey, well, thank you very much. We appreciate that. Like I said, Urschel Laboratories, and thank you.
Okay, thank you.